Hello everyone, I'm Subhojit Panda from OdissaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First headlines. Justice M.M. Das Commission of Inquiry submits second interim report to Odisha government on basis of 61,212 affidavits filed with it. Crime branch LWE wing is probing into Sunki Ghat landmine blast. Team led by DSP has left for Koraput district. Bhubaneswar DCP suspends constable and havildar for allowing AT chief to give media statements during court appearance. Team of BJP led by Vice President Sameer Mahanti meets Chief Electoral Officer and demands action against Kendrapada MLA. And a lady playback singer makes harassment charges against music director Deepu Das Mahapatra and records statements. Now the details. Secretary of the Justice M.M. Commission of Inquiry Debraj Raut today submitted its second interim report to the Odisha government. Raut met Home Department Special Secretary Lalit Das at the State Secretariat in Bhubaneswar and handed over the second interim report on the multi-crore chit fund scam in Odisha. Talking to newsmen, Raut said, the probe panel has prepared the report on basis of 61,212 affidavits out of more than 8 lakh affidavits filed with the commission. He further stated 1,124 depositors have got refunds till now. The complaints were filed by investors against 174 money collecting agencies. The commission has sent notice to 110 firms asking them to submit reply. The probe panel has sought response from 65 companies through newspaper advertisement regarding their money collecting activities. Notably, on 25th May, the commission had submitted its first report to the state government. A 4-member team of LWE wing of Odisha Crime Branch would probe into Sunki Ghat landmine blast in Koraput, resulting in death of 8 Odisha State Armed Police personnel. Crime Branch Special DG BK Sharma told newsmen a team led by DSP has left for Koraput along with a forensic expert team for an on-the-spot probe. Sharma added the team would probe into various aspects including the manner and circumstances of the blast and explosives used for detonation. The Crime Branch Special DG said the team will also collect information from the eyewitnesses and those who had escaped the blast. Notably, the blast took place near Mangar Bhumi on Sunki Ghat, barely 1 kilometer from Andhra Pradesh border in Maoist-hit Koraput. Meanwhile, State Havildar and Constable Association President Prashant Mahapatra blamed senior cops for the incident, alleging that the SOP during movement of security personnel in sensitive areas were not followed, leading to the death of 8 OSAP staff. To show their presence in tribal-dominated Malkangiri district, Maoists on Thursday night killed a ward member candidate of Bara village under Mathili police limits. According to reports, 20 to 25 armed Maoists called the deceased, identified as Dasu Dharua, out of his house and murdered him for contesting in the Panchayat poll. The ultras had cautioned the tribals of Malkangiri to stay away from the ensuing rural poll. A constable and a havildar were on Thursday suspended by Bhubaneswar DCP Satyabrata Bhoi for allowing Artha Tattva Chief Pradeep Sethi to talk to media during a court appearance in Bhubaneswar a few days back. On 30th January, while being produced in a court in Bhubaneswar, Sethi told media two incumbent ministers in the BJD government had taken financial favours from him. However, Sethi did not mention the names of the ministers. Sources said Sethi's statement will be recorded under Section 164 of CRPC on 9th February. A team of Odisha BJP led by Vice President Sameer Mahanti met the Chief Electoral Officer in Bhubaneswar on Thursday and demanded action against Kendrapada MLA Kishore Chandra Tarai in connection with false information furnished by the legislator in his poll affidavit. Citing that the affidavit filed by Tarai contains somebody else's name, the Saffron Party demanded that it should be rendered void. They also demanded that action should be taken against the lawmaker as a false affidavit has been filed.
चीफ इलेक्शन कमिशन को आम दाबी कलु चीफ इलेक्टोरल ऑफिसर को आम दाबी कलु जे विधायक हिसाब से केन्द्रापड़ा विधानसभा किशोर तरेई जो एफिडेविट निर्वाचन समय से देइथिले सबमिट करथिले सेथिरे तांकर एफिडेविट्र संपूर्ण रूपे तांको नाँ को से लेलिन लेंका हुए लिखिथिले एवं सिग्नेचर करथिले किशोर तराई जहाँकि ये एक गुरुतर भूल बेली प्रमाणित करुच्ची सत्यपाठ को ये ग्रॉस भाउलेशन ऑफ पीपुल्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन एक्ट रो भाउलेशन करुच्ची तेणु ये संबंध में आम अभियोग करिछु तांको ये तांकर सभ्य पद रद्द करने आम दाबी करिछु।
In a sensational case, a lady playback singer on Thursday leveled harassment charges against a music director of Ollywood. The victim lodged a complaint against music director Deepu Das Mahapatra and recorded her statements. Besides, the complainant handed over a chat history on social media. The complainant alleged both Deepu and she fell in love 2 years back and got into a relationship. However, the music director betrayed and didn't marry her as committed, said the complainant, adding that she was blackmailed by the music director as well. Though the duo was counselled for reconciliation earlier by the Commissionerate Police, the music director got married before any settlement, the complainant alleged. On the other hand, Deepu has refuted the allegations.
कॉलेज कौन हमारे मु तो बाहर बात ऐसा है कि मु कहली मो पीछा छाड़ू जबरदस्ती हैरान कर मु मैरेज कहनी कि ना किसी कहनी मु मैरेज कहनी कि मु भल पाइबी बोली केबे भी कहनी से 2 वर्ष तलर कथा मु आज्ञा जबरदस्ती कौन भल पाइला दे
से संक्रांत महिला पुलिस स्टेशन में बर्तमान आम कम्प्लेन पाइछु ताको आम तार तर्जमा करूछु और को सेक्शन में केस कर पारिबो केस रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा तार इन्वेस्टिगेशन करा वर्तमान तार अलग जोटा भी अच्छी लीगलिटी भी तर्जमा चलछि।
Before wrapping up the news headlines once again, Justice M.M. Das Commission of Inquiry submits second interim report to Odisha government on basis of 61,212 affidavits filed with it. Crime branch LWE wing is probing into Sunki Ghat landmine blast. Team led by DSP has left for Koraput district. Bhubaneswar DCP suspends constable and havildar for allowing AT chief to give media statements during court appearance. Team of BJP led by Vice President Sameer Mahanti meets Chief Electoral Officer and demands action against Kendrapada MLA. And a lady playback singer makes harassment charges against music director Deepu Das Mahapatra and records statements. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.